Hey, welcome back to the shop. You ever have this type of deal where you made some stuff and you go, it could be better, and winds up either here like this or you're not very proud of it and you strive to become better or hope that with time you become better? I think I discovered what the difference is. So I was making a Christmas bell. This is for a Woodturning club, like type of a challenge for like Christmas. So I made this little guy out of walnut and I wasn't happy. It came out really thin and I was able to keep the bark. And this is the piece that goes inside. I still have to put a string through it. And I wasn't happy with the shape. I didn't feel like it was a shape of a bell. So I had this other piece that I started with and it had a crack. So I went back to it and continued turning. So it still has a crack here, which technically I don't care, but this is more of a bell shape. And I don't know, it felt a little thick to me. But you know, when I made this one, it's like, yeah, I want to finish. I kind of saw the shape and thought, well, I have it smooth, you know, and I don't want to break the bark, so whatever, I'm just gonna do it and put finish. And well, this one has a crack, so today I woke up and I'm like, nah, I'm not happy with that, so I'm gonna do it again. So I got a piece of ambrosia maple, so I'm making a slightly bigger one and I want to make it thin. Well, I did make it thin. So now I got the right shape. It's extremely thin to the point that I actually stopped the lathe now because it started to vibrate. I was running the lathe too fast for how thin and how small it is. And right about here, I just get this feel and it's just like, dude, cut it off, sand a little tip there, and put some finish on it. And I don't think that's a ticket. I think this is exactly the part where we stop and go, okay, that's good enough. But then when you look at it a couple weeks later, you find out that it's not good enough to you. So I don't know, I'm just sharing this moment with you and hoping that it helps you too. But my guess is that right now there's, first of all, so I put CA in the outside. I should put some CA in the inside of the bark too to further protect it, which means there'll be a little sanding again. There is a slight bit of tear out right about there that I should get rid of. And for that matter, I should round this off a little more and don't cut it off. I'm gonna keep it on the chuck and maybe pierce it since it's so thin. But I don't know. What do you think? What's your thoughts? Anyways, this is the type of video I want to make as I'm learning. You know, it's easier to, this was inspired by a video by Richard Raffin, by the way, which I learned a lot from the man. If you don't know his channel, you should check it out. Just type Richard Raffin on YouTube and it'll be the first thing that comes up. He's been doing this for many years and he's amazing. So ironically, he should have 1 million subscribers unlike other people. But I don't know, I guess that's the way YouTube goes. But so yeah, this was inspired by his video, so I just want to give credit where it's due. But I want to make videos that, I mean, when I watch his videos, like, he knows what he's doing, so it's hard to relay. He makes it look so easy. So I did shoot video of making this whole thing. It's a little longer, and I run into problems, and every cut is not perfect, but I kind of want to share that because that's where we're at. I mean, unless you're a pro, of course. I'm not talking to you. I would learn from you. But anyways, let's now make a movie. I'll catch up with you in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. And I appreciate if you leave your opinions down below. I'll talk to you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.